In this video, I'm going to show you how you could send offers to your buyers on eBay with both your mobile phone and desktop. So let's get straight into it. So first up, let me show you how to do it on your mobile phone. And don't worry, it's the same way both on iPhone and Android. So when you first click on the eBay app, you're going to be on the home page. Then you want to click the selling button right on the bottom right. Once on this page, you'll see right there, send offers to buyers. You're going to want to click that button. Now you'll see all the listings you could send offers for. Now you're going to want to just click one of them right here, send offer to that one. Now you can see this item originally was 15. You could put it for 14, delete it, 13, whatever you want. You can also add a message with your offer. And on the top right there, right below the price, it will say how many people you're sending this offer to. So right now, I would be sending it to 2. So let's go ahead and offer 13, and we send offer, submit, and it's all good. So now we're going to move on to desktop. So you're going to want to go to your eBay seller hub, and right here on the bottom left you'll see listings eligible to send offers. You're going to want to click that button. Now you'll be sent to this page, and with the desktop you get a lot more features and it's a lot more easier to send offers, especially in bulk. You can see, unlike my phone here, I could send offers to all of my listings. You can see by clicking this button right here, it selects all of them, which I could now press this button right here to send offers to every single one of my listings, so I don't have to do it individually. And another feature of the desktop version is you could send percentages off, so it's not only money off. For some reason, they don't let you send percentage off on phones, but they should really make that happen because I don't think it'll be that hard to add it to the phone. So then you add a number like 10 or 5, then you could press send on every single one, just like this. I hope you learned something watching this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. And if you want me to make a tutorial on something else, let me know in the comments. See you guys.